everyone, it's me again, Maria Quick. Aside from cooking, I started to love baking. And yes, for today's video, we are going to make all-time favorite banana bread. And actually, I am going to show you how exactly I make mine. So if you're interested, watch this video until the end. But before we start, let us feature the best comments in our previous cooking vlog. In this recipe, we need bananas, almond flour, baking soda, salt, eggs, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, almond, and chocolate chips. In a medium bowl, combine almond flour, baking soda, and salt. After combining them, set aside. In a separate bowl, beat an eggs. Then add white and brown sugar. Add melted butter and vanilla extract. And now mash 4 to 5 overripe bananas. We are achieving this chunky texture, so don't overmash your bananas. Blend it well with wet and dry mixtures. As you can see, my mixture is not yet thick. So I add 1 cup of almond flour, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So this is the thickness that I want. You can bake this as it is, but if you want to add walnuts or any nuts, will do. But mine, I'd like to add chocolate chips because everybody loves chocolates. Now, you can arrange your baking cups into your muffin tins. Get a scoop of your batter and fill them up. Sprinkle some almond or walnuts or any topping you want. Spread butter into your baking dish pan and pour the remaining mixture. Sprinkle toppings whatever you desire. Poke with a toothpick to check if the inside is cooked. If not yet, put it back to the oven and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now let's check our banana bread muffins. See that? Wow! So it's just so soft. And look at that! Look at the inside, guys. It's so soft. It's so moist. And then the top part is so crust. So let's taste, guys. Oh my god, guys! Wow! It's so delicious. And oh my gosh, I love the texture, guys. You know what? I am not professional into this, but I just want to share the experience because as I've told you, this is my first time to bake this banana bread, and I am just so happy because it's really delicious. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this recipe, guys. Actually, I learned this recipe from Sarah Geronimo in her recipe of banana bread. Yeah, she used almond flour, so I just tried. And now it's your turn to try this recipe, guys. I promise you will love this banana bread using almond flour, and for sure your family will love it too. So please try it right now, okay? So let me know, guys, if you try this recipe. Just comment down below and let me know what's the result in you, okay? So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for every updates of my new video. So see you on my next one. Bye!